Can you guess what it is? So you see, guys, that we have another fun one for you.
The masked finger. What are you? What are you? What are you?
Hey everybody, hey NailTubers. So as you can see, I can't even contain myself here. We're having so much fun at this. So the objective is that fingernail that has the mask. You have to figure out what that nail is. We're going to give you some clues and hints along the way, just like the show, guys. So that finger is currently known as the NailTuber. If we can even contain our laughs and giggles over all of this. As a matter of fact, my brother keeps walking around while I've been putting this together saying, this is going to go over big. This is really going to go over big. He just believes so much that this is going to be really something. And you know what? It's all in the fun, guys. So let me just explain the set real quick, okay? So you saw me polish all of the nails in that lilac color. And I'm just simply going to do a very easy ombre. One thing I mentioned about these sponges before, let me take this a little seriously now. These sponges that I'm getting, the makeup sponges, same brand, different quality, same bag and everything. The makeup sponges used to be firm, and I'm seeing a change in them. They're starting to become like spongy and airy, and the ombres are not coming out well with them. But I did still use them for this design, so 2 of the nails are going to get ombre. Do you think you know who's behind the mask of the NailTuber? Leave it in the comments, guys. Otherwise, here is your first clue.
I am very nice, but some people like me while many others don't.
Oh, I think I know what it is.
So yes, there's the finger known as the NailTuber. Do you think you have it figured out yet just by that one clue? Go ahead and leave it in the comments, guys. Otherwise, here is your next clue.
I work well with all my fellow nail products.
That could be anything.
And you're right, my brother. That could actually be anything. That's what makes this so much fun, right, guys? So while you're trying to figure all of that out, I'm going to be going in with some stones that I think matches this set perfectly. I know y'all trying to get a peek from behind, but that ain't gonna happen. That mask is on there pretty good. So, while I'm bedazzling this set, you think you got it yet, guys? Leave it in the comments. Otherwise, here is your last and final clue.
Many people often say I tend to be cut and dry.
I think I know what it is, but this is hard to figure out.
So here's your last glimpse of the finger known as the nail tuber while I lay some glossy top coat. By now, you guys should have at least one or two things in mind, if not several. And while you're still trying to figure out, I decided that pinky finger was just a little too bland, so I decided to add a couple of stones. And we have now reached that moment of reveal. But before the nail tuber reveals what she really is, if you've been enjoying this, because we know you have, don't forget to hit the like button. And hopefully you've been participating in this along with us. If you have enjoyed this, remember to subscribe to this channel because there's going to be so much more to come, guys. In fact, I've done a few of these already, and I'll have link for those in the description box for those other fun videos. And remember, when you subscribe, to hit the notification bell so that you can become part of this NailTube family. So, NailTuber, do you have any words for the viewers?
Well, this has been a lot of fun, and I appreciate this opportunity to enjoy it with you.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
Oh, I can't wait to see
The
what it
suspense
is.
is killing me. It is matte finish. And it joins in the creativity and made such a lovely set, didn't it, guys? So Matt, thank you so much for being here today. It was truly a pleasure having you here. So viewers, here's your last glimpse of the finger formerly known as the nail tuber together with what it is now, the matte finish polish. Guys, this was so much fun. And there's going to be more to come. As a matter of fact, there's a surprise because we have a behind the scenes making clip that my brother is going to be introducing to you.
Hey everybody, hey NailTubers. So my sister came up with this idea weeks ago. and she has been wanting to do this, but she's been so tied up. When she first told me about it, oh my gosh, we laughed all night and still laugh at the thought of it. So I definitely knew you would enjoy it too. Then she took it a step further when she started creating the artwork. She said, hey, you know what? I should record this because I bet someone will ask. We should do this like it's a behind the scenes making of the masked finger, just like they do on TV. My sister is really something else, isn't she? So now she is going to show you how she created her masked finger.
So yeah guys, this piece has been in my archives for quite some time, actually years to be exact. It was in the beginning when I was learning acrylics and I was toying around with the idea of doing 3D work, and I created this little figure. It was supposed to be of me, but it didn't turn out looking like me. Cute enough still. And it had been sitting, and I was like, you know what? I could take it and use it as something for this particular video, and it worked out so good, don't you think? So basically I just laid a foundation of clear acrylic and adhered her to the nail bed, and I decided to add like a cute little dress. I didn't realize I was actually making the like breasty chest area. Now this is where I should have left well enough alone. It was cute enough already as it was, but then in my head I'm thinking I'm mimicking the Masked Singer, and those costumes are very elaborate and they're very eccentric looking, so that's what I called myself doing, but in retrospect I should have left it the way it was, but it was still fun, guys. Originally here I thought to create an extended part of her arm and make it look like she was holding a microphone, and then I started realizing, wait a minute, what does a microphone have to do with this? I actually started to paint some little dotted polishes on her fingertips, but that was just way too tiny for my vision. I added some sparkling glitter in the background so that she could look really good on stage. The NailTuber character, guys. So I hope this was fun for you. I'm so glad you made it here today and enjoyed this, and me and my brother will see you in the next video.